All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. The iPhone 18 Pro Max might still be months away, but the leaks are already hinting at changes that could quietly shake up the smartphone world. Shrinking the dynamic island, boosting battery life, and overhauling the camera hardware. These aren't just tweaks. They could quietly make the 18 Pro the phone everyone will talk about next year, whether they realize it or not. Let's dive right into the video. First, the design. At a glance, it's familiar, but Apple is whispering subtle shifts that matter more than you think. The dynamic island is shrinking by up to 35%, which might sound tiny, but it opens up the front display in a way we haven't seen since the original notch. The back is moving toward a fully unified color, ditching the two-tone style. It's small, but it's powerful. It cleans up the look, makes the phone feel heavier in presence without adding mass, and signals a more confident design direction. Combine that with a bold hero color Apple is reportedly testing, and suddenly the 18 Pro looks like a statement rather than just a next step upgrade. Now, the display. This is where Apple's subtle genius shows. LTPO Plus panels promise higher efficiency and possibly peak brightness beyond the 17 Pro's 3000 nits. For daily users, that's not just bragging rights. It's clarity under blazing sun, smoother scrolling, and less battery drain. No one talks about it yet, but this tiny behind-the-scenes tweak could redefine how we experience pro-level screens outdoors, and it's likely something only true enthusiasts will notice, until they do. Cameras? Brace yourself. The front jumps to 24 megapixels with the same center stage sensor you already love, while the rear brings a triple-layer stack sensor and a mechanical variable aperture. That means low-light shots no longer look like compromise. Depth of field control becomes intuitive, and telephoto lenses capture night scenes with less noise. This isn't just computational photography polish. This is Apple finally giving photographers real hardware to play with, and it could set a new benchmark for the Pro line. Under the hood, the A20 Pro chip on a 2nm process promises around 15% faster performance and up to 30% better efficiency than the A19 Pro. Rumors say the chassis might get slightly thicker to pack in a 5,200 mAh battery, potentially pushing video playback past 40 hours. Think about it. A phone this powerful that actually lasts longer than anything before, Apple might finally be solving the age-old trade-off between performance and endurance. Quick mid-roll, but relevant. Wolver modular battery solutions are already feeling like the perfect companion for devices like this. Imagine topping off a phone that's already breaking endurance records without carrying a bulky charger. It fits seamlessly into this narrative of long-lasting, professional-level usability. And here's the kicker. Apple is rumored to hold the iPhone 18 Pro Max at the same $1,999 starting price. That's right, better hardware, sleeker design, and a camera that could rival standalone shooters, all without the shocking price jump. For anyone who thought Pro had lost its meaning, this could be Apple quietly reclaiming the title. So what does it all mean for us? Are these subtle changes just the start of a bigger shift in how Apple defines Pro, or could this be the last quiet leap before a completely new era of iPhones? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment, replay parts, discuss with friends, because this is the kind of device that rewards attention to detail. Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.